This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in YouTube Studio because that's where channel-level featured content is managed. You sign in, then click Content to confirm the video you want. Next, open Customization to access layout options. Once done, choose the Branding or Layout tab depending on the interface. Make sure you're viewing the right channel if you manage multiple. This step sets the destination for the change and ensures the video exists and is selectable, which prevents wasted clicks later. Next, you decide whether the video is for returning subscribers or new visitors, because each slot targets a different audience. Click Edit on that featured video box, then select Video. You can search by title or paste the video ID for precision. Make sure to preview so the thumbnail and start point look right, and save your changes as a draft first to check on multiple devices. This avoids showing the wrong clip to the wrong audience. Finish by clicking Publish or Save to push the featured video live, then refresh your channel page on desktop and mobile to confirm the change propagated. If the new featured clip does not appear, clear your browser cache, verify the video's visibility is public, and ensure you have the necessary channel permissions. Sometimes extensions or cached data block the update. If problems persist, replicate the change in another browser or device before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.